Food costs and grocery prices are astronomical. With that being said, girls gotta eat. Am I right? When I see a sale on food, I'm gonna tell you about it, okay? My market is having a huge cyber sale. There were 60 pages worth of items that I went through. Let's see what I got. This one's really big. It's so heavy too. Really been loving popcorn, so I got some Himalayan Gold popcorn and chocolate candy cane popcorn. Okay, I gotta try this right now. Oh! Get that. Oh my gosh, that's so good. It tastes like mint chocolate chip. I'm good. I wasn't sure about Himalayan Gold, like what that was, but it says movie theater taste with a better for you butter alternative. Okay, here we go. Oh, you guys. They ain't lying. That tastes like movie theater popcorn. Now, I've been having the Chia Smash, the blueberry flavored one. I use it as a jelly or a jam. I love it. So I picked up, it's called a superfood jam. I picked up the strawberry, the Concord grape, and also the raspberry. Then, 'tis the season, so I got some dark chocolate peppermint almonds. Taste test, of course. Did we get these last year? I don't remember. I love anything mint and chocolate. It's so good. And you guys have probably heard me talk about this beef jerky. It's one of my favorites. This one is the Righteous Felon OG Hickory. And then they had a limited edition peppermint mocha almond butter dark chocolate bar. It's like lower in sugar and stuff. I don't know. Let's give her a try for big squares. Not bad, but you best like dark chocolate if you're gonna get these. My husband absolutely loves these. They're the Rip Von, I believe that's how you say it, Snickerdoodle waffles. So I picked him up some of those. And I had been buying brown rice, but I bought a red and white quinoa mix to try. We'll see. And I saw this and was interested. It's called Mama Chia. It's a chia prebiotic squeeze snack. Blueberry, is that acai? How you say that? Should we try this? I was going to buy a bunch of different flavors, but I thought we better try one first. It's actually not bad. And I got some pepperoni seasoned turkey sticks. These sound really good. Got something to try. These are Rivals spicy street taco snacks. They're stuffed, apparently. That's good flavor. Tastes like a taco. Marshmallow flavored cashew butter. It is pretty oily, I'll be honest. I have a high standard when it comes to nut butters. Let me see what I think. It's pretty good.